Hello beautiful people, welcome to another episode. I'm in an amazing restaurant on the water with the Burj Al Arab over there, the beach over there. It's like a floating restaurant. And I'm going to do something that everyone doesn't like, but it's my portfolio. You have to always do your own due diligence. I'm going to close everything. And yes, I know the comments, blah blah, but if you ask me, should I be holding on to the portfolio right now? Even yesterday I bought a lot. I bought $150,000 worth of Colt, and I still think Colt can go for a big run. And in one day it made 100%. So Colt I made $150,000 on Colt. B&B, I bought $700,000 worth of B&B. It went up like 20%, so I made $140,000 on B&B. Many other things, but in my opinion, we had a big run up, and I think Bitcoin is topping right now. Now, also on the technicals, the altcoins seem to be forming a doji on the weekly. And a doji candle is a reversal candle. So I'm going to be defensive here. I'm going to close all positions, go into cash, so around 1.5 million or something plus of cash, and wait to see what happens to the market. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. I know you guys all don't like this video, and I don't like to make these videos. Like, I'm sitting at a restaurant, it's beautiful, but when I get this intuition, I trust it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you my thoughts on the technicals, then I'm going to start closing positions. Join 70,000 people, let's jump into the technicals for everything now. So I'm going into the This is the total market cap of all cryptos. Now this indicator bot is fired a buy here, sell up here. It fired a buy just down here, and we're running up, which is beautiful. And we did get a spike up in volume, and stochastic is still heading up. So the altcoins still have more to run. But as you can see on the weekly candles, there's 1 day and 8 hours left. But what you can see, it's kind of forming a doji candle on the altcoins, all cryptocurrencies. It's forming a doji. A doji is when you have a candle push up and push down, and then kind of be flat in the middle, and that's usually a reversal candle. And we did have a big pump on altcoins. Stochastic is heading up, squeeze mob is turning from the red side. So in my opinion, if this doji if the altcoins close with a doji in 1 day and 8 hours, this will be a reversal candle, and that means it's doing something like this. And this is the last few weeks. And then if it closes with a doji, it could come back down again. So I'm being defensive here, and my gut is telling me to sell this. If I'm not emotional, stochastic is still heading up. On the daily, on all the altcoins in the crypto market, it's still heading up. But look at this, multiple weeks up. Look at that. This is also a worry. Like here, multiple weeks up, then push down. Weeks up, push down. Weeks up, push down. Look at the last 5 days on the altcoins. Weeks up, push down. Weeks up, push down. Weeks up, push down. It's not able to move up. It keeps getting rejected and pushed down very strongly. Stochastic is overbought. Squeeze mob is also going from the green side. It's peaked. Look when the last time it peaked, like here, and it came down again. Same with here, peaked, came down. So in my opinion, I'm going to close all positions on altcoins and Bitcoin. Same with Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin position, we're seeing the same thing. It wicks up and then gets pushed down. Look at today, massive wick up and then get pushed down. Squeeze mob is also peaked and heading down again. So again, indicating that we could be being pushed down. So I'm going to be defensive here. I'm going to start closing my positions. This is over on Bybit. You can follow the links down below. I'm going to close this bit position. I bought yesterday, it pumped like 4,000 since yesterday, beautiful. Now I'm closing it again. Why? Because I want to be defensive. I don't want to closing my bit positions. So bit is starting to close. My order is just sitting here. Actually, I want to close it, so I'm going to put my order here. Sell bit, I'm selling 40,000, almost $53,000 of bit. I'm selling right now. Sell bit, confirm, boom. My sell order, oh no, I want to sell it at this price so it starts executing. Sell bit, $53,000 of bit, starting to fill. So I'm closing my bit positions, it's filling. I'm going to close my cake positions, which pumped quite a bit since yesterday as well. I'm going to start selling them. I can only sell cake around 1,500 at a time. So I got to do 2 separate orders. 1,500, selling cake, sell, confirm, next 1,500, selling cake, sell. So I'm going to start closing all my cake positions. This is around 34,000 something dollars of cake. sell the remaining of my cake. I'm going to start selling. Sell. So I just sold, selling cake, selling bit. CRV pumped quite a bit from yesterday as well. Also selling. Sell CRV. Sell 30,000 thousand worth of CRV. So everything is starting to sell into USDT. Look at my USDT filling up. 62,000, 64,000. It's all moving to USD. I don't have any open trades. I'm also going to be closing this Colt. I really like Colt. I think this is an amazing project. It's up 51% today. Since I bought it, it's up more than 100%, which is beautiful. I put in $150,000, so I made $150,000. And this was what happened in the last 2 days. So I bought it here yesterday at around here, and now it's sitting up there. So it more than doubled. My $150,000 doubled since yesterday, and a lot of volume coming in. And I think this project can really run like crazy. I really like Colt, but if the market pulls back, everything will pull back. So I'm going to be selling Colt as well, which is like $150,000 worth, and I'm closing my positions. You have to do your own due diligence. This is what I'm doing in the market. I trust my gut. I'm actively trading daily. I don't like selling. I don't like holding and watching my portfolios drop. I'd rather sell if it continues strong. If this doji doesn't close on the daily and we keep pushing up, I buy back everything. If it does drop, then I buy it back lower. You do your own due diligence. I'm being defensive, and yes, this morning I was buying. Tonight I'm selling because I did have I made like $300,000 in the last day. So it's good money, but I think the market is going to drop. I'm getting this feeling, and I always trust my gut. This is going to be a warning video. Let's see if I'm right. If I'm wrong, I maybe lose 5%. I buy back everything. If I'm right, I save 50%, save millions of dollars, and I buy back a lot lower. So again, this is my thoughts in the market. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't like making these videos. I know the comments I'm going to get from all of you. This is what I'm doing. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.